Hey, this is Puneet back again, and in this video we'll see 7 Excel tips that are quick and useful, but still a lot of users are not aware of them. So let's get started. In data validation, there is an option that you can use to create a cell message. So basically this cell message is something when a user selects a cell, it will pop out a message that you can create from data validation. So let's suppose, so here I have two cells where I want user to add name and age. So with the name cell, I have created this message which says please enter your full name. So if you want to create another cell message, you need to go to the data tab, and then from data validation options, you need to open data validation and then go to input message tab. So here you need to tick mark this show input message when cell is selected, and the first thing is you need to enter the title. So and when I click OK, now it shows that message every time a user selects that cell. So now the thing is, you can also move this message from one place to another place. So let's suppose if I want this message to show here instead of here, and now when a user selects a cell, it will actually pop up that message every time the user selects this cell. So just like this right click menu, there is also a drag and drop menu in Excel that you can use. So first thing I need to do is I need to select a particular cells or a range or something, and then I need to go to the border of this range, and then I need to press the right button of my mouse, and then I need to drag and drop this to a different section, and now it will show me a menu where I have few options to use. So I can move this section, this data from here to here, or I can copy it, or I can copy it as values, or I can copy it as format, or I can create a link, or I can create a hyperlink. And apart from that, I have option to shift the existing data which could be here and move this data here. So I can shift it down, right, shift down and move, and shift right and move. So let's suppose if I go with move here, or if I go with copy here as values, so it will only take values from there. Well, we all use paste special every day, and this is one of the most useful option in Excel. Within paste special, there is an option called operations. So when you copy something and open paste special, you can see there is an option called operation. Now the benefit of this operation is you can use it to multiply, add or subtract or divide a particular set of numbers. So let's suppose if I want to multiply this entire range of values where I have numbers with 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on a cell where I have a value 2, and then I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to select this range, open paste special, and then I'm going to select multiply, right? And the moment I click OK, it multiplies it with 2. And in the same way, I can also use I can also divide it. If I go with divide, or if I want to add any value, so the idea is you can do your basic calculations with paste special. If you use Microsoft Word, you have option there to create bulleted list, but unfortunately in Excel there is no such kind of option that you can use. But you can do this by using custom formatting. So what you need to do is you need to select cells where you want to create your bulleted list, and then you need to press Ctrl and 1 to open your formatting, and then you need to go to custom, and in the type input box you need to paste this formatting where I have a bullet point, and then I have a word general, and then a semicolon, and this thing and this 4 times. So if I click OK, and if I try to enter something here, so I'll get a bulleted point before the value that I have entered. And in the same way, if I go down, yes. Now normally we use these shortcut key Control Z and Control Y to undo and redo. Now the problem is, let's suppose if you want to go 5 activities back and you want to undo 5 activities, you need to press Control Z 5 times. Or if you want to go 5 activities forward, you need to press Control Y 5 times. But there is a button that you can add on your quick access toolbar, that undo or redo buttons, and with these buttons you can undo activities without using shortcut keys. So let's suppose if I want to go 10 activities back, I simply need to select those 10 activities from here and then click. So it will instantly undo all those activities. So in the same way, if you want to redo, you can simply click on this button. And if you don't have these buttons on your quick access toolbar, you simply need to open the options and then go to quick access toolbar, and from here you can add these buttons to the quick access toolbar. As simple as that. Let's suppose if I want to apply strike through to this cell, I need to open the format cell options, and then I need to go to font, and then here I have strike through option. So instead of doing this, you can simply use the shortcut key Control plus 5. And if you want to remove the strike through, you need to press it back. Now imagine you have a file, a particular file, or some specific files that you want Excel to open every time when you start the application. So in that case, you need to open Excel options, and then you need to click on Advanced, and when you scroll down, there is a category called General. So and in this category there is an option called Add Startup, Open All Files in. So here you need to enter the location of the folder where you have that specific files or set of files that you want to open every time when you start the application. So this folder, I have this folder at my desktop, and there is one file that I want Excel to open every time, and I pasted this location here. I simply need to click OK, and now if I close and open Excel, so it opens that particular file every single time when I start Excel. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it, and all these options and tips will help you to work efficiently in Excel. And please subscribe to this channel, because I'll be coming out with a lot of cool Excel tips and tricks in coming weeks. And I'll see you in the next video.